Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30242, and this is a Star Wars Republic Frigate. If you enjoyed this kind of video, the whole, Polybag build along kind of thing, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these videos a day for the foreseeable future. Also, if you're interested in actually getting the set and building along with me, there's links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. I've also included a link to the brick set page for this particular set if you are just interested in checking out the set itself. There's also a spreadsheet in the description that has the I kind of got stumped a little bit by that. There's a spreadsheet in the description that has future and previous Polybag build-alongs, if this is the kind of thing that you happen to enjoy and you want to either get ready for upcoming ones or build along with previous ones. There's some of both. I mean, there's both on the spreadsheet. Alright, so that gets us that, and then we have the wing, the big wing piece, and then this, like so. I know I've said it a bunch of different times, but it really does surprise me how much larger these things are than they seem from the Polybag, if that makes sense, because it is kind of weird. And we have another Polybag that has a little sub bag of the parts. There was one, actually yesterday had one, the Z95 Headhunter. We got our little bag of parts. Alright, so we need these two pieces, 1 and 2, and then I have a, alright, so we got a 2x2, and then the 1x2 tile, and the 1x2 tile, and then we just have a bunch of these pieces. So 1, 2, and 3. And this one is number 4. Alright, so we got those. This is kind of interesting. I don't know if I can see them. Those pieces don't pop up that much in these little builds. So we need 3 of those. And we also need, like, the thing that's frequently the front of a car. So this goes here. And then 1 and 2 and 3. Alright, starting to look like a ship. So next we have these pieces, which I'm guessing is going to provide us with our thrusters. So 1 and 2 and number 3, like so. So we got those, and then we flip it over and we put a 1x2 here, and I'm sorry, not a 1x2, a 2x2 here, and a 2x2 there, like so. And that takes care of those. And then that's weird. That seems kind of strange to me, that positioning. But what the heck. Alright, so we stick that there. And then we stick this one on the nose, like so. So we got that. And then we flip it back over. And we put this on the nose. Oops. We put this on the... We put this... Wow. I'm having a day there. We put this on the nose. And then we put this on the nose. So that gets us that. Alright. So that takes care of that part. And now... we have a 1x10. Like so. And put this thing right here. Like so. I kind of wish that would snug up there, but I guess there's not space. Alright, so you put that on, we put this on, and next this goes here, and we got the vents. I still meant to look up what these are. I keep forgetting to do that. The specific name for these. I think they're, I feel like they're vents or something like that. Anyway, if you can think of what they are, let me know in the comments. So that takes care of that. And then flip up here. And so that goes there. And then we have the cheese wedge right there. And then 1x2 and a transparent 1x2 that didn't stick on when I stuck it. Like so. And then this goes right here. Like so. And this goes up top right here. Like so. That's pretty cool so far. And then we just add basically the engines, which I was kind of expecting anyway. So we need 3 of these little, is this like green maybe? The transparent green? Maybe the like transparent yellow green or something like that. And so these just go on here, like so. Maybe make that one not upside down. And there you go. It's kind of a neat looking little ship. Now we got these 2 extra pieces. A little cheese wedge, one of the small round ones. Kind of a neat little ship. I tell you what though, they always seem bigger than I was expecting. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.